Just quick introductions. I'm Wendy Riceley. I'm here at the University of Houston Clear Lake campus, and I coordinate the Texas Envirothon with lots of help from Rowena McDermott, who you guys probably already know as well, and Debbie Bush. So thank you both for being here. And thank you, all you teachers, for joining us this Saturday morning, bright and early. It's nice and bright. It's a beautiful day out. Should be a great weekend. I just wanted to say really thank you for being here and thank you for the time that you're taking to bring Envirothon teams to the competition and just to be here to learn more for your own selves. I wanted to say that our registration will be on the website soon. It's waiting, it's pending approval by the university, but Debbie is going to drop it into the chat. So basically you can look at it and start filling it out now. It's just not on the website yet. Please do bring the originals with you when you come to the competition. There is a page in there that's asked for t-shirt sizes. So if you guys could fill that out right away as soon as possible. Rowena would like to have that yesterday. So maybe if Rowena could put her email in the chat as well, if you guys could email just the t-shirt portion so we get close to the right sizes for all the students and yourselves. The registration fee this year is $200, and that's to bring a team. You can bring up to 3 teams to the competition this year. Kind of raise your hand if you're planning to bring a team and actually put 1, 2, or 3. We got 3, we got 3, all right, 4. How many do you have, Rachel?
2 or 3.
Oh, 2 or 3. I thought 5. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Great. Great. That's awesome. In the registration packet, you'll also see a section for, we have some funding from the TCEQ and Galveston Bay Estuary program to buy some materials for you guys. So around $400, depending on what you would like to order. It's written in there, so you kind of put your wish list. Around $400 is our price point. So if you would like some materials that you don't have for your school, please fill that out and we will try to get it to you before the competition, but unlikely. So at least you'll have it for the future. Today, again, thank you to TCEQ and Galveston Bay Estuary program. You all will be receiving the $50 stipend. Please, if you are not already a vendor in the university system, you do need to become a vendor in our system in order to receive that stipend. So again, Debbie will be sending you information to become a vendor. If you're not, I think most people are vendors. There's a couple of people I think that still need to do that paperwork.
Do you know what time we'll start on Saturday morning? We're trying to decide if we should come the night before or just come Saturday morning.
We don't have the agenda done yet, but it's usually pretty early. How far are you away from the SFA area, Nacogdoches?
I think 2.5 hours. So we could do an early start.
You'd have to do a really early start, yes.
Yeah, we don't usually start after 8 o'clock. I mean, 8 o'clock would be our start time.
We will be providing an awards luncheon, and we've asked for some funding for another meal, but we're not sure that we're going to be getting that. I sent a couple, I hope everybody's received a couple of hotels that we've got a rate with. I think it's Comfort Inn or Comfort Suites was $119, and then the other one was $139. And supposedly there's a new hotel coming, Holiday Inn Express. It's brand new, and they did not have a person to tell me how much it was going to cost yet. So I will be reaching back out to them. Has anybody already gotten your hotels lined up? Okay. All right. Are there any other questions? Well, we're about 2 minutes early, but I think that's okay.